I'm meteorologist Kat Campbell in the WRAL Severe Weather Center. Wednesday and Thursday are WRAL weather alert days due to the concern for some flooding, mainly flash flooding due to Hurricane Idalia. We're under a moderate to low risk for flooding on Wednesday, though that threat is high at the North Carolina coast, and another low to moderate threat, that moderate being especially south and east of Raleigh in the days ahead due to the concern for some flooding. And if we look at the latest models, the European model in particular has a very good grasp of this situation. Northwest of the triangle, that's where we could see anywhere from about half an inch to about an inch of rain. Around the triangle, we're in that 1 to perhaps up to 3 inches of rain zone. But it's really south and east of Raleigh that we could see anywhere from 2 to 4, perhaps even 5 inches of rain in spots. So this is some heavy rain that is on the way, especially for the coastal plain and east toward the coast. And one of the reasons why we could see so much rain is not just the tropical moisture that's tracking our way from Idalia, but also this front that's moving our way. That could help to enhance the rainfall totals that we see locally with the front sliding in and Idalia tracking along the front. Of course, we're also watching tropical storm, or I should say Hurricane Franklin, continuing to move to the north and east away from us, but still bringing very rough surf at the North Carolina coast. The latest track on Hurricane Idalia calling for a Category 3 hurricane at landfall in the Big Bend area early Wednesday morning. We'll watch the system continue to track up the southeast coast, likely remaining a tropical storm as it tracks right along or near the North Carolina coast late Wednesday night into early Thursday, and that's the time frame for the greatest impacts. Once we get to the weekend, it looks like Idalia will slow down over the Atlantic, and that means we may continue to see rough surf. Keep that in mind if you're going to be at the beach for the holiday weekend, but we do expect the rain to clear out of here by the weekend. So let's take a look at the rain timing for Wednesday. The heaviest rain, the eye wall, likely to be ashore by the morning hours in the Big Bend area of Florida. We could begin to see some rain as early as Wednesday afternoon, but it's really Wednesday evening as we get into the evening commute and dinner time that we see the rain really filling in, with the heaviest rain expected after midnight and into Thursday morning. The latest trend we've noticed in terms of the timing is that some of this heavy rain sticks around for the morning commute on Thursday and doesn't quite clear out until the afternoon. At the coast, they may see some rain even continuing into Thursday evening. We're also noticing a trend of stronger winds possible. The latest European model putting us closer to tropical storm force winds south of the triangle, even stronger winds at the North Carolina coast. And these are not sustained, but the maximum wind gust possibility, and that would likely come early on Thursday morning. Power outage potential, still a large swath of a high risk for the Big Bend area of Florida. For us, we're under that low to medium risk for power outages, but that is something that we will continue to monitor closely. Once we get past Wednesday and Thursday's impacts from Idalia, expect quieter weather for the holiday weekend. 82 sounding pretty good with the sunshine on Friday, but once we get to Sunday and Labor Day on Monday, high temperatures are back in the 90s.